Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can get invisible name in Among Us or Among Us Mobile, and it really doesn't matter if you're using PC, laptop, Android, iOS, the process will be pretty much the same. So guys, as you can see here, if I create or join the game, my name is invisible. So if I go and show you, as you can see here, I have no name. So simply, if you want to do the same, what you need to do here is to go on your internet browser, Safari, Google Chrome, it really doesn't matter. And on browser, what you need to do here is to write, as you can see here, Unicode character U plus 3164. So I will leave this code in the description of this video below or in the comments, and then you need to click on the website, that is comparts.com. As you can see here, probably it will be the first result. And once you do that, the little square pops up. So what you need to do here is to tap it and hold it on that particular square, and then press copy. And if we go back on Among Us Mobile, as you can see here, if I normally, for example, put some letters and then delete it, as you can see here, I cannot do that. So but with this a square, if I pasted that square here, as you can see here, press done, now I can join the game and my name is basically invisible. Alright, so guys, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.